Okay, so good day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to get started with the practical part of our training. As you can remember that in our previous video, I've been able to explain everything we are going to be covering in this particular training. And I also explained all the stages and the things we are going to be covering. So without wasting too much of your time at all, I'm sure you are already with your system and you also want to start implementing with me. But before we start the implementation, I said that I'm going to be explaining for you the stage one, which is the website on its own, so that you can have the background knowledge of what you want to learn and the importance of that particular thing you want to learn. Let me show you something now. Let's assume you are presently on your Chrome browser or your Google browser and you are looking for something online, let's say making money online. So when we talk about a website, I'm sure you can see all these things that you are seeing here. This is what we call the internet. Please understand this particular thing. This is where we call the internet. A website is a combination of domain name inside the internet. So let me explain it for better understanding. So when we talk about a website, before you can start creating a WordPress, before you can start creating something like this that you are seeing, all this our website that you are seeing here, like this one, before you can start creating, you must first understand what website really means and how website functions. When we talk about a website is just a digital space on the internet, like a space on the internet. We talk about a website is a collection of web pages connected together under just one domain. Don't get this thing wrong, please. I want you to understand what I'm trying to break down. They said a website is a collection of pages. You remember I said in our previous class that I'm going to be showing you how to create a lot of pages. And in that video, I also showed you all those pages on my own website. So when we talk about a website, it is a collection of web pages that they are connected together under one domain. For example, africanprincerx.com. africanprincerx.com is a domain name. You see, inside that africanprincerx.com, that is where you are now going to see a lot of pages that I have created where you can always get information about me to allow you understand the practical part of it. This is the African Prince RX domain. Inside this my domain, we have home. This home is talking about everything about me. When we get to this About Us page, when we open the About Us page, it's going to show you some things about my own personal website. I hope you are getting it now. So this is my About Us page that is currently opening now. So see this my About Us page. You can see the mission, you can see what we do, you can see our deed process and everything about our website. So let's move on again to the next one. Let's move on to the institution. Let me just click on that institution so that you can understand everything that I'm showing you. Because when we start building all these things, if you don't have the background knowledge of all these things, it will be difficult for you to be able to understand how to build what you want to build. So this is my own website. This is all the things that I offer to people. As you can see, I think my network is a little bit slow. So you can see all the things that I offer. You see, when we now talk, these are the things that brought in my own personal website. It is the collection of all these pages that you are seeing here. All these pages that you are seeing above, it is the collection of it that comes together under one domain, so that when somebody now search for that my domain on that digital space, it will bring them down to everything that I do. So I'm sure you understand what websites is all about. So websites usually contain text, it usually contain images, it usually contain videos, products, service, and all other information about probably you or your business or your brand or anything about you. So now let's think about a website as if a website is our house. You see that your house, it needs a domain. And what do we mean by a domain? You remember that your house will need an address if somebody want to locate you. You need an address. An address is what we call a domain online. That your shop, that website that we have built, for people to be able to locate it, you need to have an address. For people to locate me, I tell them that this is my domain name, africanprincerx.liveblog365.com. People will know that, oh, that is where the address of African Prince RX shop is online. Oh, whenever they click on it on their phone or their system, directly they'll come to my shop online. As you can see, this is my shop online. They'll definitely come here. I hope you are getting it now. So when we talk about the domain is that your name that actually direct people to everything that you want them to know about your website. So after that time, there is now something that this your website must be on. Or let's say, for example, there is a particular place that your address must be staying. Just like your shop. I have a shop at Oshodi Market. The address of that my Oshodi Market is what I'm going to be giving somebody that is coming from, let's say, Lagos State, or let's say Ogun State, or let's say Enugu State. I give them the address so that when they get to this Lagos State, they are going to locate my shop among all the shops that are online. This is the online that you are seeing here. People want to locate you. Before they can locate you, you can see that we have different address, but they don't know your own address. So far, you have given them your own address. They'll just type your address here. African Prince RX. Let me put in my blog. When they search, you can see this my blog here. This is my address online. You see this address that you are seeing here, it is standing on one land. I bought a land, and that land that is standing on is called Austin. I don't want you to mistake everything. I want you to understand perfectly. This land, you can see that a lot of people have built on that land. We have it. Okay, this is because it is my own. Let me just put making money online. Making money online. You are going to see different addresses on that particular land. You see, we have Press One Africa, we have Swag Bust, we have Save the Students. All these things are addressed on a land. That land, before you two can appear here, you need to buy a land on this digital space. How can you now buy the land? The land is called hosting under this online space. We call it hosting. I hope you are following accordingly. If you are getting what I'm saying and you are getting value from it, please, I want you to drop it in the comment section that you are definitely getting value from this video. Please don't forget to also give this video a like if you haven't done so. So, like I said you need to have a domain. A domain name is your address. How are you going to be getting the domain? I'm going to be showing you everything by the special grace of God. After you have done that, you need to also have a hosting. Hosting is just like the land where you are, your house is being built. That's your website domain. That particular hosting is where it is being built in order for it to appear on the digital space. I hope you are getting it now. So when we now talk about the web pages are the room inside that your house. Let me show you the web pages inside my own house. So when you go to my website now, did you see all these pages now? They are now each room inside this my website. The website is my house. It is my shop where a lot of people get to know more about me. And you remember this particular house, if it doesn't have an address, people cannot locate me. What is the address? If you can still remember what I call the address, I want you to also drop it in the comment section. And again, you remember that I said people cannot locate my address if I don't have a land. That land that I have bought that made me to let people to appear on this digital space is what we called hosting. So when you have a hosting and you have built your own shop or your house on that particular thing, then you now have an address that will connect people in order for you to also be shown on this particular digital space. I hope this explanation is very, very okay. So now that you have understood this, how can we now have a domain to get started? You need to first have the domain. After having the domain, then we have our land, or you have your land first, you have your domain second, then we now build on it. Anyone you want to have first. So which one do you think is going to better for us to have first? Is it our domain? Is it our shop? Or is it our land? I am sure you are very, very intelligent, and I want you to also tell me the answer to that question so that I can begin my next video from that particular aspect. Do you want us to have a land first before we have our domain name, our address, and our shop? Or we should first build a shop somewhere and then we should now be looking for, I'm sure some things is going to be affecting your brain, right? So which one do you think is better for us to have or to start with? Is it the land, the shop, or the address? Anything that you choose, drop it in the comment section. In my next video, by the special grace of God, I'm going to continue from there. Thank you so much. If you have got value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to be talking about the land. How can you buy the land? And after that time, how can you also get your address? So when you get our land and we have connected our address to it, then we can now start building our shop. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.